My kids are taking multiple classes with LearnWithLogic. Like some of them are like drawing class, Python, Hindi, and now we are thinking of enrolling them in music class as well.
LearnWithLogic is a great learning platform, and I took my first classes as chess and Python. My most favorite class, learning with the teachers of LearnWithLogic, is chess. And in chess, I learned all the basics of how to play, and I also learned great strategies in order to defeat opponents. In Python, I learned how to code emojis. I also learned all the basics of Python, and I was able to code great things.
They have flourished really well while taking Python classes. They have learned a lot during the smallest stint. I guess they have taken for 6 months, but their teachers were really very good.
LearnWithLogic is a great learning platform where I learned my first 3 classes. My first 3 classes were drawing, chess, and Python. I love drawing the most because I learned how to draw animals in a very good way and not looking very bad. In Python, I learned how to code emojis and learned all the basics of Python. In chess class, I learned the basics of how to play in chess class, and I also learned how to defeat opponents by using great strategies.
We highly recommend LearnWithLogic.
I love LearnWithLogic.